Get into a car with value. 2026 Nissan Kicks. This spacious Kicks delivers crossover versatility with a trendy twist. You're sure to appreciate its impressive fuel efficiency, standard driver assist safety features, and comfortable cabin. And you'll love the fun factor. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging station, intelligent auto on-off high beams, heated driver's seat, heated mirrors, remote engine start, lane keeping assist, 4-cylinder engine. You deserve the comfort and style this Kicks has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.